Hello, class, and welcome to Communication 470, Advocacy and Social Change. I am your instructor, Sister Barbara Higgins, and I am just going to take this opportunity to introduce myself a little bit to you so that you can get to know me, and then I look forward to getting to know each of you. We have a small class this semester, which is actually great for this type of class. And so hopefully we can work together as a team to help you each succeed. So we'll get right into it. So to tell you a little bit about me, I am from South Jordan, Utah, which is about 3.5 hours south of Rexburg, Idaho. And a unique fact about our city is we have two temples in our city, Jordan River and Ochre Mountain. And it's an amazing blessing to have two temples in our city. My family, I'm the oldest of 4 children, and my nieces and nephews are not all pictured here, but we have not all lived in the same state for many, many years. And so when we can be together, we're a little silly, but I love spending time with my family and my nieces and nephews. A little bit about my hobbies. I enjoy traveling nationally and internationally. Israel is probably one of my favorite places I've ever been. That picture down on the left is from the Dome of the Rock. And I also love hiking and camping, and I enjoy running. I am not very good at it, so those of you who can run marathons, I admire you, and maybe one day I will get there. And I love Disneyland. It's a great place to be. So that's a little bit about me and what I enjoy doing. Another blessing that I've had is the opportunity to serve in the church. And I've had the blessing of being able to be an ordinance worker in 2 temples, the Boston, Massachusetts temple and also the Jordan River temple. So I have been truly blessed to be able to serve in both of those temples. I've also served as a Relief Society president, a Young Women's president, gospel doctrine teacher, and currently I am a Relief Society instructor, and I love that calling. A little bit about my professional background. You're welcome to check out my LinkedIn profile. I've graduated from the University of Utah with 2 bachelor's degrees in sociology and human development and family studies, and then I certified in criminology and corrections. And then I graduated from Arkansas State University with a master's degree in public administration. So currently I am working in the Human Resources Department of Sandy City, and I'm their management analyst. And I've only recently had that position. Before that, I worked for the Police Department of Sandy City for over 12 years as the supervisor of the Family Crimes and Intervention Unit. And part of my job, other than being the supervisor, was being a child advocate and advocating for children who had been abused. And so that is one of the reasons that I love teaching this course, is I have a strong testimony of the importance of being an advocate for our brothers and sisters. And before that, I worked in Boston as a social worker. So to contact me, my office hours are going to be on Wednesday nights from 8 to 9 p.m. Mountain Time. And then that is my phone number. It's a Google Voice number, so feel free to call me or text me at any time. And my email address. So texting is probably the best way to be able to get a hold of me during the day. I will be checking my email in the morning and then once in the evenings. So I will respond to you within the day. And then just to conclude, I want to share one of my favorite scriptures with you, which I think is really applicable to being college students, and that's Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. And I encourage you each to just look that up and kind of keep that in mind throughout the semester, the importance of trusting in our Savior and leaning not to our own understanding. And He will direct our paths. He will direct us in the things that are best for us if we will just try and have that faith in Him. And I want to leave this thought with you as you're starting this course. I want you to consider how Christ is our advocate and what the word advocacy means, and how can we be like the Savior and advocate for our fellow men. So I look forward to getting to know each of you this semester and helping give you the tools to be able to succeed. Thanks and good luck.